Hi, I'm Eric, and this is a CleanPoint. Actually, this is the CleanPoint. So I thought it'd be cool to show you all some of the things that the CleanPoint comes with. So we'll go ahead and tear into that. First, we have our flyer here, congratulating you on your CleanPoint purchase. We also have a few QR codes for our user guide, our P3/DLP workflow guide, and any accessories you may need. Next, we have here in this little container just some additional parts for our stoppers here on the rail, just in case any of those ever get lost. Okay, next we have our power supply. So this will plug into the back of the machine, and then we have an adapter for users within the US. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove our top foam piece here. Then we can pull out these side foam pieces. So I've gone ahead and scanned the user guide, and at this point it tells us we need to plug in the system. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And once we plugged in the power supply, we'll just hit the switch on the back right next to the port. We give the machine a second to turn on, we'll hear a beep, and then we'll hit yes on the slider calibration screen. The arm will first come up and home in the Z position, and then it will move kind of left to right and home on the left side. So now that we've gone ahead and run our slider calibration, we can just press OK on the screen. Now we can move over to this box and grab out our basket. This basket's nice because it has our manual mode handle, so we can run it in this position, which allows us to clean taller parts because we can flip them midway through and cover the full origin build height. So now we're set up in automatic mode, which is the most common configuration most of our customers use. The nice thing about automatic mode is we have full hands-free part cleaning using a dual tank wash, and at the end of the sequence, the parts will be lifted up out of the solvent without user intervention, so it prevents any parts from being submerged in the solvent for longer than necessary. We can also run almost any solvent in these tanks. Another benefit of the dual tank wash is you can run 2 different solvents if you'd like. And this process has been validated by all the major material manufacturers. And that's it. Setting up the CleanPoint really is that easy.